Welcome to another new video, guys. Have your fun. Stay safe.
Fucking arsehole.
Last longer at Centre Parks. Cherish every moment.
When Magnus started out as a carpenter, he used a manual saw. First he made tiny chairs, then dog kennels, and then a duplex treehouse. But when created by the fans, for the fans.
The Talk Sport Fan Network.
The Steakhouse Deck, the two beef patties, crispy onions and pepper.
Has treated its past POWs, looking at Chechnya and Georgia, I knew I wasn't going to be in for a nice time. I think what took me by surprise was just by how sheer brutal it was, and the systematic torture of everyone that was captured, especially amongst civilians. Myself, I didn't expect to be treated any differently. I expected to be treated even worse for just being a foreigner. But I think what caught me off guard was just the sheer brutality of it, especially when I saw that I was stabbed in the shoulder.
Aidan, just one quick question before we go. What's your assessment of how the war is now going, from speaking to people on the ground and seeing what's happening on the front line?
I think we've reached that stage of the conflict where it's now at a slower pace. The Ukrainians, they do have the advantage, though, on the defensive. Obviously, there's going to be heavy casualties on both sides of this conflict, but from what I've seen on the videos, we have heavy casualties on our side. It's a full-scale war. It's to be expected.
Control, but we're now back towards the town. Risk is medium. I think it's had some damage, but not to a third party. And we've gone to high risk on the wrong side of the road. I'm stopping the pursuit of it. Stop there now! Stop! Stop there!
You're causing a lot of trouble parking there. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Bus driver being an arsehole.